This video will show the most basic way to map an image onto an object. If you're wondering how I got to this point, you will need to watch the previous video called UV Mapping Setup. So, the most basic way to map an image onto an object is to draw an image ourselves within Blender. To do that, I come over here to this UV Image Editor window. I'm going to do a few things to get it set up. First thing is to click New. It's going to give me a color background of black, which is fine. Name untitled. I'm going to switch that, or give it a name. I'm just going to call it UV Map for now. Click OK, and I'm going to zoom back out a little bit. It's all black, and I'm going to do one more thing down here. Scroll over a little bit and change it from View to Paint. I'm just going to paint my own image on there. Now, my paint settings are in this menu over here on the left. I'm just going to click this plus right here. I can toggle that by hitting T on the keyboard, on and off. So these are my brush options and colors. And I'm going to do one thing over here to my cube so that I can see what I'm doing. I'm going to change it from solid to material. Also, I could change the lighting, give it a little more lighting so that I can see the cube better. Going to go back out to object mode, click on the light, duplicate it, Shift D, and just Shift D to duplicate a couple of times. And then I'm going to bring two of the lights down near the bottom. That way it'll be well lit all the way around as I see the material on it. Okay, I'm going to go back into edit mode there so I can see my map here. Now, I've got a white pen or brush, and I'm going to change the radius to a little bit smaller. I'm just going to start painting here. Actually, there's one other thing I need to do. I need to add a material. Change that material. I need to be in Cycles Render. Use Nodes. Now, here's my color right here of the cube. It's white. I could change the color, but instead I'm going to click this little button right next to it. And I'm going to select Image Texture. And it automatically selects the one I'm on, but if not, I can click right here, and there it is right there, UV Map. That's what I named it. So I'll select that. Now instead of a color that I'm choosing, it's mapping it with this image right here, and I'm just about to draw something on it. So if I draw right here, undo that, let me find out where it's at. There it is right over there. I'm going to draw an arrow up. There it is right there. Okay, I'm going to go next to it. I'm going to draw another arrow going up. There it is right there. I'm going to continue over. Draw an arrow. Okay. Now I'm going to draw on the next one, which looks like it's on the bottom. I'm just going to do a little X there. The next one I know is going to be upside down, so I'm going to draw an upside down arrow, and it will be straight up and down over here. And on the last one is the top, just do another X. So that's showing, and it shows live, as you saw, what I'm doing on the image, what I'm drawing. So I just drew a bunch of arrows showing where they are over here. I can make colors and change the size of the brush. I could stick a color right there. And there's my color. I can change that color and put it on the next one. So whatever I do here, whatever image I draw, since it's mapped on the material, or since it's selected for that cube and that object, whatever I paint here goes on there. So that's the most basic way of UV mapping an object.